I gave you this puzzle a few days ago, and a lot of you have been writing your answer down. I got answers of 4, 3, 5, and almost everybody got it wrong. And the one person who did get it right, I think it ended up being a guess. So I am going to give you a little hint about how to look at this puzzle. I'm not going to give you the answer, but I'm going to give you a little hint about how to look at this puzzle. Okay, and then you can take a guess at it. Okay, when I am looking at this puzzle, I am looking for patterns. Okay, not just, oh, I see the number 2, 3, 4, this must be a 5. No, that's not a pattern. Okay, so let's look at a pattern here. So let's look at 2. Here's 2. Number 2 and number 1 are right beside each other. Between them is a number 3. Okay, well, that's interesting. I'm just going to use a different color here, boys and girls. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so 2 plus 1, the number in the center is 3. Well, let's see if that pattern works on the next level. 3 plus 1, those are the two numbers beside each other. The number in between them is 4. Okay, well, that seems like it might be a bit of a pattern. Well, how does that help me? Well, let's see, what would this one be? 4 plus 1, what would the number be that goes right there if we follow that pattern? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is, yeah, if a number was right there, it would be 5. But we're not concerned with that pattern. We want to figure out this pattern. So this number, look at what is beside it, what is on top of it, what is it between, and look further up to see if you can find a pattern. Okay? So let's see if we can kind of follow this pattern, look for another pattern in here. Okay, so let's see. Here we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. See how the 2 is right connected there? Let's see if this pattern works. Let's do the next one. 1 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 4. Well, that really doesn't help us very much, but we do see that the numbers are increasing. 2, 3, 4. And we already figured out that this was 5. So yes, this will be 5 as well, but it doesn't have to do with adding 1 plus 1. We're just noticing this pattern right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, maybe there's going to be another pattern going diagonally. So you can look at patterns going this way, horizontally. You can look at patterns going up and down, vertically, or you could look diagonally. So maybe you could look at this in a diagonal pattern. Maybe you would find something. Okay, so those are some little hints for you, and you can see if you can figure out that missing number now, because only one person in the class got it right, and I'm pretty sure that was a guess because they had already guessed some other numbers. Okay, so give it another shot.